Pag ganun natin.
Saan
Ayan.
ba siya?
This is your baby. Walking. Ang ulo. So, isa-isahin natin. As we check the neck
Okay.
and the back. The boy.
Okay, now look.
And the legs. And the gender again. Confirm na. What's the name of this baby?
What's the name?
I still don't have an idea.
You don't have a name yet?
What's yung initial mo, di ba? Meron ka na initial name?
Yung pangalan ng baby niya?
Jack. Jack, di ba?
Jack.
Jack, gusto ko.
Ah, gusto niya Jack? Saan may pangalan? Fingers? Kamay?
Kamay.
Mhm. Mukha daw.
Kaya na makita.
Natatakpan ng kamay. Pero okay na.